Start. Today we will practice Bhujangasana. So your legs will be like this, not like this, no, it will be like this on the ground. Your hands next to your shoulder, your head down, forehead touching the ground, and from here you'll move your body up and stay here in this version. Look at my elbow, they are not straight, not hyperextended, the elbows are bent, and look straight at the front wall. Don't bend too much, keep it like this and stay here for a few seconds, around 10 seconds to 15 seconds to start with, then increase it to 30 seconds and then you can increase it to 60 seconds and slowly come down. So this was variation 1. Same for variation 2, which is kind of difficulty level 2. Take your hand next to your chest and from here push your upper body up, and again stay straight, elbows little bent, and stay here and slowly come down. Again do a mental count of 15 to start with and then 30, and then practice it all the way till 1 minute. The next difficulty level 3 of variation 3, take your hand back and all the way to your waist, and from here push your body up. This gives you maximum bend on your lower back, elbows little bent outside. Stay here for 15 seconds and slowly come down. So these are 3 different variations of Bhujangasana.
So today we practiced Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. So Bhujangasana derives a name from the Sanskrit word Bhujanga, meaning serpent or cobra, and Asana, meaning pose or posture. So in this position, the body mimics a cobra with its hood raised high, the chest lifted, the spine gently arched backwards, and head held up like a snake poised and alert. It's one of the most widely practiced backward bends in yoga, and this is very beginner friendly, and also you can take it all the way for to advanced or advanced level practitioners as well. So it forming a core part of the Surya Namaskar as well. So this is a very important part of Surya Namaskar sequence and is often considered a gentle entry point into the deeper backward bending postures. So there are other advanced backward bending postures. So before getting into those postures, practice Bhujangasana for a couple of weeks, then only get into the advanced ones. So meaning Bhujangasana means serpent pose or cobra pose, named for its resemblance to a cobra with its upper body raised and hood expanded. Advantages: it has many advantages actually. Strengthens the spine and improves the flexibility of the back, tones the abdominal organs and stimulates digestion, so very important. Opens up the chest, shoulders and lungs, improving the breathing capacity. Helps release stress and mild fatigue. Strengthens arms, shoulders and glutes. Improve posture by counteracting effects of the prolonged sitting, the office goers, right? The people who do work from home. This is a very good entry point exercise for our yoga, for asana, for those people who kind of have a longer sitting job. Stimulates the kidneys and helps regulate their function. It also helps the kidney functionality. Helps reducing stiffness of the lower back. Beneficial for reproductive health, especially for women. Improve blood circulation, especially around the spine. Duration: hold the pose for 15 to 30 seconds for beginners. Gradually increase it to 1 minute with practice, maybe after a couple of weeks or a month time of practice. Repeat 3 to 5 rounds with rest in between. The total practice time would be 5 to 10 minutes, including the rest in between the rounds. So do not practice too many things on one day. So take around 5 to 10 minutes for Bhujangasana because it's very beneficial practice. When to do this asana? Best practice in the early morning with an empty stomach because it actually pressurizes on it, give a pressure on your stomach. Can also be done in the evening after a gap of 4 to 6 hours from last meal. Ideally performed after a light warm-up or as part of the sequence of the Surya Namaskar. Precautions. Do not force the back bend. Lift only as far as you are comfortable. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Avoid jerky motions or fast movements. Elbows should remain slightly bent and close to the body, not locked out. Avoid overreaching for the neck. Keep it natural extension of the spine. So the spine will go and your neck will follow. So do not make your neck like this. Breathe steadily. Do not hold the breath while in the pose. And try to breathe with your belly. Avoid this asana on full stomach. Never do this asana for full stomach with full stomach. Practice on a yoga mat with proper cushioning for the pelvis and the thighs. So do not do this asana on tile or cement. Who can do this asana? Healthy individuals looking to strengthen the back and improve the spinal flexibility. People with mild to moderate back stiffness with guidance. Beginners, as it's a relatively accessible back bend. Those looking to improve posture from desk-bound lifestyles. Individuals wanting to improve lung capacity and reduce stress. So it's beneficial for those scenarios. Who should avoid this asana? Pregnant women, specifically in the second and third trimester. People with recent abdominal surgery. Individuals with severe back injuries, slip disc, or spondylitis without first getting a medical clearance from your doctor. Individuals with peptic ulcers or hyperthyroidism. People experiencing severe headaches or migraines at the time of the practice. So do not do this practice if you have headache or migraine feeling. Anyone with fractured ribs or recent spinal surgery. So do not do any kind of asana, to be honest, if you have any surgery or spinal surgery. So in one-liner summary, so Bhujangasana can awaken your spine, open your chest, and breathe new energy into your entire body. It's a small stretch, but it has a very big impact on your overall upper body. Thank you.